Tony.
It's all right. Go ahead. I had to do the bridge. No problem.
I'll get that clip next. I'll tell you when I'm stopping.
Okay. No problem. Did you get any air? There you go. You're good. I'm gonna do the bridge. It's all right.
You're gonna do the bridge?
Yeah.
You want me to go around?
Yeah, you go to the left.
Go to the left?
Yeah. Oh no, I mean right. I'm sorry. Duh, sorry about that. Did you do the jump or the bridge?
What?
Did you do the jump or the bridge?
I did that side, the rock.
Oh, okay, the rock.
And then I stayed here because I was telling Lauren to go that way. And then you're like to the left, and I'm like, really? You're gonna send her over the drop like right off the start?
I was like, all right.
Sorry.
I got that face mask.
Yeah, right. Hope you're warmed up. Good morning.
All right.
Oh man. Sorry, I'm slow, Tony.
It's all right. It's
I'll
your
get
first time.
faster.
You're good.
Warm up.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna say the excuses, right?
Yeah, it's exploratory trail for me. Yeah. Oh God.
Okay. No problem. It's okay. Yeah, but after a few bridge crossings and you see how easy it is. Exactly. Isn't it? Yep. Left.
Are you go? Oh, I want to get a picture of the bridge.
We'll be through here like 1,000 times. Alright. Alright, Tony, you clear the bridge while I go underneath it, okay?
You know what? It's pretty wide.
We can ride over it.
Yeah, we could.
You have to do that drop first, though.
You guys want to ride over it? Like right now? No.
Nah.
Okay.
I'd have to pedal way up the hill.
Yeah.
That decision had to be made over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Next time.
Yep, next time.
So lower Greenhorn blows cock right now.
Oh, you mean like it's muddy?
No, it's just brake bumped his shit.
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
Oh, a washboard?
Yeah,
I
exactly.
don't like washboards.
Me neither. Look at that, you didn't fall off.
Yeah, I didn't fall off, you're right. It's like worse if I slow down. Like,
Yeah, don't even think about it.
totally downhill.
Look on the bright side, you don't have to pedal uphill. Okay, stay to the left. I promise you it's the left this time. Stay to the left. Yeah.
You shouldn't be taking down wrong turns. What kind of friend is that? I mean, I guess we can go down this, Tony, and...
What'd they say?
Oh no, I wrote it already today. It's just brake bumpy.
Oh.
So, it's not a bad start.
I'll be greenhorning down.
I think there's easier ways, personally.
Okay. Okay.
I removed a ton of damping from the rear rebound.
Okay.
It's much better.
Oh. Well, I haven't done any adjustments, so mine's gonna feel exactly the same.
So I mean, well, you know the options from here.
Yeah.
What is the real assessment of Candyland from here?
I don't think we should bring Lauren down Candyland.
Okay. Or at least not right this second.
Right.
I'm trying to remember how bad it is. That's what he said?
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, that's a fun trail.
Isn't it?
It's a little washed out, like the rain, you know, down the middle, but if you just go a little bit to the side.
Yeah.
Actually, I guess, Tony, we can come here and wind up on Indy.
Yeah, we could.
All right.
Indy's, do you think she can handle Indy?
Yeah.
Just a lot of this.
Okay.
But it's all pretty smooth.
It's smooth,
As long
yeah,
as
yeah.
it's smooth, yeah, and I can kind of brake, or if I had to slow
Absolutely.
down.
I live on the brakes the whole way,
Yeah.
so you'll be all right.
Every
But
time my shot goes down, my little
that's funny.
thing goes. It's like, turn.
You're going to be squeaking all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't stop at Indy because it's.
It's people behind me.
No, it's just that you might not get your footing because it's a little bit steep. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah.
Not as choppy, huh? So you adjust the, does that have the high and low speed damping?
No, because it's too cheap.
So which one does it have? Just the high speed?
Yeah, but I did the rebound.
My camelback is leaking down my leg.
You sure it's the camelback? You sure you didn't shit yourself?
Yeah. I mean, it's all wet. Oh no. My shirt's soaking wet. Oh well.
Well, you don't want to lose all your water.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? That was a little loose.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it is. No, it's okay.
What if you turn it off? Doesn't the yellow thing move?
Yeah.
And it's a valve?
Shaking to see if it's still.
Oh, you better.
Okay,
maybe
so
just
definitely.
Half,
It's probably the bite valve.
it's half open.
Okay. All right, we're doing Indy.
Yeah, I was gonna let these guys go.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, definitely. You don't want to be behind me. Indy's just whoopties and
It just, you know,
I think I've done it before.
bank turns.
Yep, have it. It's just a back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
It's like a
at the
slalom.
bottom it gets really tight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's all big berms. Just go as fast as you want.
Okay, you go first.
Or as slow as you want.
I'll go first.
What?
Turn left there to hit the drop.
Oh,
Oh, she's right on her back. She's not doing bad.
no, she's good.
I wish Deviant was open, but it's not.
Is that the,
It was
is
a
it?
arch.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because after that arch, there were a couple of jumps.
Yeah.
After that, they're pretty good too.
Right.
It's too bad it's closed. Is this still because of shitty conditions, or
I
they're working
assume
on?
They probably got worse.
Oh yeah,
Fun.
yeah, wasn't it?
It's almost like the higher you go, the better off.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, totally.
Yeah. I was like, just go higher. I know you don't want to. Just go higher.
Yep.
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. The higher up on the berm, the faster you can actually go,
Mm-hmm.
which for some reason in downhill is actually safer
Yeah.
at some point.
Yeah, it's like driving on snow, driving on ice, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
let
you
the momentum.
want to brake, but you shouldn't,
Right.
you know?
All right.
Okay,
What time is
let's
your friend getting
let's
here?
do it again.
I don't know, she's not here yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I just checked. She didn't text us. You know Beth, right?
Might have met her once.
Yeah, you did when we went swimming at Anthony's house. She and Terry came later. Yep. Here, you get in the middle. We'll
Okay.
try to fit all three of
I
us
think
in
we
one.
can all fit. I
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do freehand?
Yeah.
think we can, Anthony. I'm pretty...